Welcome to the MTCA Online Tax Return Walkthrough. In this video, we'll guide you through logging in and filing your tax return quickly and securely. To begin, visit the official MTCA tax portal and log in using your eID credentials. Enter your username and password, then click Login. You're now on the main dashboard. Here, you can access all the features you need to complete your tax return. Let's walk through each section step by step. First, review and update your personal details. Make sure your name and contact information are correct. Make sure to update any changes before proceeding. Next, enter all sources of income. This includes employment, business, pensions, rental, and overseas income. Attach supporting documents where required. Now, enter any allowable deductions. These may include interest on capital, alimony, and tertiary education. Make sure you have the necessary forms or certificates for each deduction. Select and claim any tax credits you are eligible for, such as credits for returning to work, get qualified, or micro-invest. Attach supporting documents if needed. The system will automatically calculate your chargeable income and tax due. Here, you can also enable the parent rate if this is relevant to you. Review the computed tax and check for any rebates or reliefs, such as double taxation relief. Carefully review all your entries. When you're ready, click to submit your tax return electronically. Remember that the deadline for submission is the 31st of July. Once you've submitted your tax return, you can view your tax statement immediately. If you owe tax, follow the on-screen payment instructions. If you are due a refund, it will be processed automatically. Throughout the process, you will find some of the fields pre-populated with values. If any of these values are not correct, kindly get in touch with mtca.mtca@gov.mt. Furthermore, if you need help at any stage, visit www.mtca.gov.mt, call freephone 153, or email service@gov.mt. The MTCA support team is ready to assist you. You have now completed your online tax return. Thank you for using the MTCA portal.